2015 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. We got factory converters there, total of 4. Then it comes true dual already from the factory, then into a single muffler, single tailpipe. We cut it off and ran CARVEN R series. As you guys can see right there, part number CVESR 25s. There. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back. You guys always remember to clear these brake lines right here. So make sure they run them like this off the side of the tire, because those brake lines, we've ran them before on top and they melted the brake lines when it goes down. We had a lot of clearance, but it still melted them. So make sure you guys always have them clear these brake lines. Anyways, so out the back on each side, there and there, 2 1/4 into 4-inch black roll tips to complete the look. Because he's gonna murder it all out, make it all black. So it's clean. There's the factory muffler that was on it right there. Dual in, single out with a 3-inch tailpipe. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Well, let's raise our subscriber count up, please, if you guys don't mind. So if you're watching this video, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so it's a 2010 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter. Right there. Got factory converters there and there. Then usually it comes bolt on from here and here, but as you guys can see, they're rotted out. So we just cut them there and there and ran true duals all the way back. That's how the FLOWMASTER Outlaw kit comes. 2 1/2 in the front, 3-inch out the back. There and there. It's a full bolt-on kit. And we always tack the clamps and the tips and everything just so they don't rattle. They have a tendency of loosening back out. But when you do that, it doesn't do it. Then it's got some nice 4-inch or 4.5-inch black double wall stainless steel tips there and there. That's the whole kit. FLOWMASTER Outlaw kit. We'll have a link in the description for it if we can get it for you guys. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead. See, when you're really gone, and it pops, you know? Toyota Tundra, CARVEN R's. Again, right at 111. You really get on it. But if you get on it a little bit, just a little bit, yeah. 107, 105. Go ahead and back it out. Perfect. Perfect. It's nicely set up too. Really clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Whoa. Sound decibels again. 114. That's all right. I think that's like 4,000 RPM and screaming like that. That's crazy. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. 114 on the sound decibels, guys. Looks good too. Nice truck. What do you guys think? Let us know. Wow, that sounds aggressive. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra. They make fun of me for saying Toyota. I think it's supposed to be said Toyota. I'm going to stick Toyota. Yoda. Why you guys gotta always make fun of me? Very nice. Yeah, but there you go. Enjoy, guys. Sounds really nice. Enjoy, guys.